I'm Paul Arthur Bardet. I come from Bordeaux, specifically Saint-Emilion. My family is in Saint-Emilion since 1704. We own 4 chateaux in Saint-Emilion and 1 in Castillon, Côte de Bordeaux. And I'm in Hong Kong to be with my partner, Natural Food and Beverage, Proud Man Wine, and explain how I work and my philosophy. The first wine in Château Lider is a Castillon Côte de Bordeaux. This wine is for your daily occasion. It's 100% Merlot, a lot of fruits, elegant and pleasure. The second one that you have is Château Pont-et-Fumé. It's a Saint-Emilion Grand Cru 2015, huge vintage in Saint-Emilion. It's a blend of 75% Merlot, 20 Cabernet Franc and 5 Cabernet Sauvignon. It's elegant, pleasure, velvety, powerful, but always roundness in the wine. The third one is all vintage of Château Pont-et-Fumé. It's 2004, so 15 years. It's very hard now to find this kind of vintage in Saint-Emilion. It's ready to drink. It's a blend too of Merlot, Cabernet Franc, Cabernet Sauvignon. For the people who love the aging wine, it will be perfect. It's time to drink it. So Château du Paradis is the last chateau that we in family. We purchased with my brother in 2013. 2014 is the first vintage. 2015 the second, and is ranking 95% by James Suckling. We respect the nature. We let nature play, if I can say. I like to give some example that you can understand. So if you have problem with the bugs, we are not going to add any pesticides or chemical or natural insecticide, but it's better to find a natural solution. The bugs beat your berries, find the predator and help him to rebuild all the environment that he can stay in your vineyard to destroy the bad bugs. That's one of the examples that I can explain what is more natural. Natural wine is managed with natural solution. So Château du Paradis is the last born in the family. It's a blend of Merlot, Cabernet Franc and Cabernet Sauvignon, but it changes each year. For the 15, it will be a blend of 60% Merlot and 40% of Cabernet. But for example, in 2014, we make 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 Merlot, Cabernet Franc, Cabernet Sauvignon. Everything is vinificated in oak barrel. We don't make pigeage, we don't make hard action on the wine, because I want just develop a bouquet that will be elegant, round, with velvety. So for that we are just going to extract the aromas, the tannin on the skin and not at the seed of the wine. This is our own made system that we create for Château du Paradis. And I'm very happy because now it's on a Star Michelin table. I have a good review from the journalists. I have good feedback from all my customers, so I'm very happy for my second vintage. It's so famous. Château du Paradis, I target the best table in the world in New York, Paris, London, and in Hong Kong you can find By the Glass at Four Seasons Hotel, the restaurant Caprice, a 3-star Michelin.